Now, while we're doing that, this is separate now, but I have a little pan with whole garlic bulbs. And I'm just going to show you something. If you take a whole garlic bulb, I have a serrated knife, and put it on its side so that the bottom of the garlic is facing the other direction. You're just going to cut across the top of the garlic bulb so it looks like that. Okay? So I'm going to do that with all of these. They're not too packed in the container, but they're pretty snug, which is good. You can use a little glass pie dish. You can use a oven. It has to be an oven-proof dish. And this has nothing to do with this recipe, but my oven is on. So I figured while my oven's on, and I happen to have a walk-in box with garlic in it, actually I have quite a bit of garlic, I'm going to go ahead and cut that. So that's what it looks like. All right, give me 1 second. I put that on earlier for something else, and that's going well. And we're going to stir the onions while we're over here on this side of the room. Got that bay leaf in there, kind of tuck it under the onions. Okay. So, back to you, garlic. So we have our garlic in the pan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit of olive oil, cover the top, and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on each one of those tops of the garlic. So because the skins are on, that olive oil is going to get trapped between the cloves, which is a beautiful thing. This is going to go in my oven that's already on, and what will happen is after a bit that garlic's going to roast, and you know it's done when the inside of the garlic of the clove pops up. Sometimes they'll get brown, or sometimes they'll get like really dark. Don't worry about it. That's your roasted garlic. And then when that's done, after it cools, you just kind of squeeze the whole bulb, and all the roasted garlic will come out. That is fantastic if you're making sauce. I had seen one time that Rachel Ray, she uses roasted garlic in her tomato sauce, and she said it's a game changer. It's also great. You could do it with eggs. You could put that in anything. You could put it in mashed potatoes. You can also pack it in those little to-go containers and freeze it. A few of you that have been watching know that I'm kind of a big advocate of making stuff in advance and freezing it because I don't like canning. But in any case, you can squeeze those out, and maybe even not a big to-go container because then it would get hard, but like in little smaller Ziploc bags, the snack size bags or something like that. That's obviously freezer friendly. Then you could just pop that out. You could put it in your chicken, put it in your mashed potatoes, put it anywhere. So that's oven roasted garlic. That one is free of charge.